This customer called us out today because they want to convert to a torsion spring system with high lift track and a wall mounted opener. Let's go inside and take a look. The reason to convert to a high lift track is to bring your open doors closer to the ceiling. It gives you more overhead space for things like car lifts, or in this case, when the doors are high up, taking advantage of the high ceilings. The guys worked on this all morning and now have the 3 necessary components in place. The high lift track is now about 6 to 8 inches taller to really make use of the ceiling height. The Jackshaft Opener has been mounted on the wall to the side of the door. It doesn't have a motor rail on the ceiling, so there won't be any vibrations and the opener is virtually silent. This type of opener requires a torsion spring system, so we've converted it from an extension spring to a torsion spring system above the door. As you can see, the guys did a great job converting this to a torsion system with a high lift track and installing the opener, so the homeowners can take full advantage of these open ceilings. So if you're ready to convert to a torsion spring system with high lift track, give us a call today. I'm Master Technician Joe Conti with Precision Door, a name you can trust.